Okay, so this is the group in which we want to say about, that is Animalia. Animalia is the group that we got. I think we have already started this, but I think you don't get the section. Okay, so that's why I'm repeating it. So the Animalia is the group organisms which are eukaryotic, multicellular and heterotrophic. So these cells do not have cell walls. Most animals are, yes, model. So they are further classified based on the extent and type of the body design, differentiated form. So the first one is Porifera, that we have said about that. The word means organisms with holes, and they are non-motile and attached to solid support. Okay, which having solid support. Okay, which having solid support, and there are holes or pores all over the body. Okay. There are holes or pores and all of the body. Okay, holes or pores and all of the body. Okay, so this leads to canal system that helps in the circulating water. Okay, this lead to the what? These holes will lead to the canal system. Okay, canal system for the transport of water and oxygen. Okay, water and circulating water through the body to bring. Okay, it will transport water to bring food and oxygen. Okay, to bring food and oxygen. That is a specialty. Sorry, I forgot it to say. Okay, so what all we say that the organisms, Porifera means organisms with holes, which is non-motile and attached to solid support. Okay, there are holes or pores in all of the body, and which contains canal system, which will transport the water to bring, not transport of water, not to transport the water to bring food and oxygen. Okay, so and after that we are saying about that is these animals are covered with hard outside skeleton. Okay, covered by hard outlier that is known as the skeleton. Okay, that is known as the skeleton. Okay, that is known as the skeleton. Okay, so the body design involves very minimal differentiation. So it is animals are covered with a hard outside that is called a skeleton, and the body design involves very minimal differentiation. Okay, it have very minimal differentiation. Very minimal differentiation. Very minimal differentiation. Okay, so after that we will get to there are only small thing to say about. So and after that, if you write it, we can get into the next section. Okay, so I will say, I think you have written the Animalia. So I just rubbing and that I'm just defining some sections of it, and after that we will complete that section. Okay, support, so most. Okay, so at last we want to say that it is very minimal different, having very minimal differentiation, and it divides into and its division is into tissues. Okay, its division is into tissues. Okay, so they are commonly called as sponges. They are commonly called as sponges. Okay, and they are mainly seen in marine habitats. Okay, they are mainly seen in marine habitats. Mainly seen in marine habitats, and some examples are Euplectelia, Cycon, and Spongilla. Okay, Euplectelia. Euplectelia, Cycon, and Spongilla. Okay, Spongilla. You get this all. So you can write it, and after that we will conclude this section. So thank you for listening this section. We will get into the next section of the Sporifera, or continuation of Sporifera in the next class. Yes, the picturization of the Sporifera. So it's very easy to draw. So we'll see that in the next class. And so thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe. So I will give you 2 or 3 minutes to write that. Okay, thank you.